Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's repair this flat iron. This flat iron is from my neighbor and she wants me to repair this one. The problem of this unit, it has no power. I already plugged the unit and power indicator, no light. Let's try to turn this on. Still no light. Let's check if it is hot. No power. Before we dig deeper the inner part of this flat iron, let's check first the plug. I set my multi-tester to times 10. I'm going to turn this on. Let's check the continuity. It is infinite, so it means there's something wrong with the wire, but let's check that again later on. I'm going to open this one and let's find out and let's check again the wire. Now let's check the connections of the prong, this one. And this is the connection, these two, and this is connected here, going to this plug. So I'm going to detach first this plastic. Then let's check the continuity. Now set your multi-tester to times 10 or times 1, but I like times 10. So let's check the continuity of each prong. It means this is connected. Check the deflection of the needle. It means that the wire is good. Next, it has connection. It is good. Now let's dig deeper. What's going on inside this flat iron? I think this is a crack. I think this is already repaired by other technician. They don't know how to open this one, so be careful how you open a flat iron. Some of these, like this one, it has a secret lock. There's one screw here, so you need to detach this handle. So be careful with this one. So anyway, let's check deeper. Check the part here. This is an epoxy. This is not the original part, and I think someone already attempted to repair this one. So anyway, this is not a big deal. That's why it has a crack on this part. Next is to check the contact of this switch. Listen to the click sound. That's the switch contact. This is the contact of the switch. This is one of the main cause. Let's clean this one, but before that, let's check if there is a contact. I'm going to turn this on. Now let's check the switch, and these two are the connection of the switch. Since we turn this on, we expect in our multi-tester a 0 reading, and if it is bad, it is high resistance or infinite reading. I set my tester to times 10. You can select times 1 if you like. If it is good, it is 0 reading. If it is bad, it is infinite or high resistance. Check the deflection of the needle. It is infinite. It means the switch is bad. Now, this is my suspected component. But for the meantime, I will not replace this one or anything. I will clean the contact. In cleaning the contact, I'm going to use the sandpaper, and this is 400 grit of a sandpaper. Now insert the sandpaper. And turn on. Then just rub gently. Then flip the sandpaper. Turn on. And you're done. Now let's check the continuity. We expect here a 0 reading if the switch is good. There, we have 0 reading. I'm going to turn this off. Turn this on. Off, on. And before I will assemble the parts, I'm going to dig deeper. I'm going to share to you, especially to a newbie in this kind of troubleshooting. If in case the switch is good, check the fuse. This part here is the fuse under this spaghetti tube. And you can check the continuity of the filament. The filament, it is easy to determine. This part here and this part here, this is the filament. And if the filament is good, we expect a low resistance reading. There, we have 50 ohms. And in the fuse, the other connection of the fuse is connected directly to the prong, and the other part of the fuse is connected directly here to the filament. Now let's check. This is not the connection because it reads here 50 ohms. We expect a 0 there. This is connected directly to the part here of the filament. The other one, it is 50 ohms. This is connected to the part here. But if I will turn off the switch, this is infinite reading because I turned off the switch. I'm going to turn this on. It has 0 reading. This part here is connected to the switch going to the prong, and the other prong is connected directly to the fuse, connected directly to the filament. Now I'm going to assemble this one and let's test if there's power. Before I will plug this unit, let's check first if the plate is grounded or not. This is the cause of electric shock. So set your multi-tester to times 10K. Then I score a little on the part here. Check this one. There's no continuity because this is Teflon. So I score here and I will score another one here so you can see the difference, because on this part it is infinite reading, but the part here 0. Now let's test the prong. Infinite reading, good indication. The other one, the unit is not shorted. That's the sign. But if you test this one and there's a small deflection of the needle, then it is a sign that this plate is grounded. So check again. Why is it that it is grounded? So now let's plug this unit and let's test if it will work or not. I'm going to turn this on. There, it has the red light, and it will turn off if the temperature of the plate will exceed to my settings. Let's find out. Let's wait a little. There, it turns off. Then again, it will turn back if the temperature of the plate will go lower, then it will turn on again. And now let's find out if the plate is hot. I'm going to spray the water. There. It's very, very hot. That's all how to repair no power flat iron. Hope this video helps, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.